In this video, I'll show you how to make your Acer laptop run faster. First, right-click the Start menu and select Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps that start automatically when your laptop boots up. Right-click any apps you don't need and select Disable. This can significantly improve startup speed. Next, open the Settings app and go to System. Select Storage and enable Storage Sense to automatically remove temporary files and free up space. You can also click Temporary Files and delete unnecessary files manually. Another way to improve performance is to uninstall programs you no longer use. Now, press Windows plus R, type temp, and press Enter. Delete the files in the folder that opens. Repeat the process by typing %temp% in the Run dialog and deleting those temporary files as well. Next, make sure Windows is up to date. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates. You should also update your drivers, especially graphics and chipset drivers, for better performance. Finally, restart your laptop to apply all changes. That's it. These are some of the best ways to make an Acer laptop faster and more responsive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.